guys, welcome to my channel. So I'm gonna be doing my hair, guys. I'm gonna get it as sleek as possible. I've never gotten my hair this sleek before. I'm gonna be showing you this, guys. Don't worry about it. Yes, guys, let's get it started. So I went ahead and I parted the middle of my hair, and guys, I had to go off camera to do one side of my hair because I had to test it out to see if it's actually going to get my hair sleek. So as you can see, I'm using my spray bottle with my conditioner in it and water, and I'm just spraying that to get my hair a little bit damp, not soaking wet. Okay. And I added some my GOT2BE glue spiking gel to the front, to the side, to the middle of my hair, and I use my comb to just comb it out. I would suggest using the GOT2BE glue, the clear one or the black tube, because it's not going to give you that white residue thingy. Yeah. But anyway, let's move on. We're gonna move in with this edge control, and this is a clear edge control. Guys, you need an edge control that is clear. One that is creamy is going to give you a lot of residue. So when it dries, if you're gonna go in with it, it's going to give you a little bit of residue. You need one that is clear, so something that's like Aqua kind of vibe.
seen gold his eyes, but my heart still beats.
Should've known